This is a lemon blueberry bread with no flour, no eggs and no protein powder, and it is still soft, moist and packed with protein. It is made with just Greek yogurt, oats and a handful of real ingredients. One bowl, no mixer, and it's genuinely easy. Let me show you how it is done. First, our egg replacer. Take 1.5 tablespoons of ground flaxseed powder and add 4.5 tablespoons of water. Most healthy breads come out dry or dense. This one doesn't. The Greek yogurt keeps it incredibly moist and adds protein without any protein powder. The oat replaces the flour completely, so it's naturally gluten free, and the lemon and blueberries make it taste like something you would actually crave. Let's get into it. Give it a stir and let it sit for about 10 minutes until it turns into a thick gel. That's what holds the bread together. No eggs needed. Now the flour. We are just making our own. Add your quicker oats to food processor and blitz until they are fine powder. That's it, homemade oat flour. Set aside 1 teaspoon of it for later. We will need it for the blueberries. Into a large bowl, add 3/4 of a cup of Greek yogurt, thick and plain for the most protein. Whisk yogurt so there are no lumps. Then the zest of half a lemon for that fresh, bright flavor. A tablespoon and a half of honey, our only sweetener, no refined sugar. You can replace honey with any other sweetener. This is completely optional. And in goes the flax gel. Just look at that gel-like consistency. This is what we want when we mix flax seeds powder and water. Whisk in all until smooth. Now add your oat flour and baking powder to the bowl. Mix everything until just combined. Do not overmix. Once everything is well combined, set aside. Now to the blueberries, add the retained oats flour and half teaspoon of oil. Mix everything together and add it to the batter. Stop the moment it comes together. Overmixing makes the bread dense, so mix it just until combined. Grease a small loaf pan and line it with parchment. Transfer the batter in and spread it evenly. Sprinkle a few oats and a handful of extra blueberries on top for that bakery look. Then bake it on a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. And here it is. Look at the crumbs. Soft, moist and stuffed with blueberries in every slice. Let it cool down completely before you cut it. I know it's tempting, but this is the step everyone skips, and it's what gives you clean slices instead of crumbly mess. That first bite, bright lemon juicy blueberries, and it's genuinely filling from the yogurt and oats. It keeps in the fridge for days and it's perfect for the meal prep. If you make it, tag me. I would like to see yours. And if you enjoyed this, give it a like and subscribe because I have got a new high protein recipes coming next week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.